Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a piece I've labeled Pretty in Pink. Our pillow paint is PPG Multi-Pro. This is an eggshell. I get this at Home Depot. It's less expensive than most, and I love the way, the stretchy nature of it, and the fact that it really performs well, stands up. This is Afterglow. Afterglow is a new pigment that I've just picked up. It's by TLP, and it is a very shimmery paint. It has a shift in it that I didn't expect. I was expecting it to be a gold shift, and as it turned out, it was a blue shift. Very pretty. Next down, Atelier Interactive. It's blue-black. Our next is Whitehaven, and this is another TLP color. It is a off-white with a bit of a gold undertone. Our next color, Quinacridone Violet, and this is Utrecht. Next is Lagoon by TLP. It's an aqua teal color. This is my cell activator. It's Titanium White, and it's mixed a little bit thinner than I usually use because I'm blooming today. I'm going to blow straight down and pull out the petals. Blooms are a tricky art, and I need to practice them a lot more. The queen of blooms, of course, is Lisa Marvin. She does not only beautiful blooms, but large blooms. And Jodie Flynn, Painted Dreamer, also does beautiful blooms. This was not my goal when I started out to do a floating bloom. As it turned out, it's exactly what I got. I've been trying to get this and accidentally got it. So I'm very, very happy with this. This is not a perfect bloom by any stretch of the imagination. There's so many technical things I could have done better. So I'm now looking at it and seeing what I have going on and going from there. I'm trying to open that white up and get some cells going in the middle. I decided I didn't have enough, so I'm going to blow it back out, see if I can get some more coverage with the white. The danger I'm running here is that if I blow too hard, I blow too much, I'm going to pull up the pillow paint. That's not the look I'm looking for. So blowing across, not down, and stretching it out. That's what creates the cells in this. Now, just because it's not a technically perfect bloom doesn't mean that it wasn't pretty painting. I'm not overly critical of this one. I should kind of like a lot of the aspects, but we'll see that in just a few minutes. About a year ago, October, so it's been 2 years in October, I took the Sheleeart course, and it opened my eyes to so many things. This is the Sheleeart bloom technique. It takes lots and lots of practice, and it's not a technique that you can learn just by watching or just by having a recipe. It really does pay to take that course. If you're at all interested, there is a 15% off coupon down in the description below, and I encourage you to check it out. Doing a little bit of modification here, some swirls and pulling out some of the colors out from each one of these petals. If you have any questions or comments or anything, just even to say hi, I'd invite you to leave those down in the comment section below. And if you missed anything of the colors or anything that I've done here, you can find that down in the description section below. There's also a link to the videos I made describing how I mix paints, how I mix my pouring medium, and how I put together my cell activator. Modifications are fun. They allow you to play in the paint and create interest that is there but just needs to be brought out. I'm just playing in the paint now. And this is actually doing modifications is my favorite thing. Now this piece took quite a bit of time to spin out, but I couldn't have been happier. I got a lot of negative space, and it opened up the cells beautifully, but I'll let you be the judge of that. Seeing how much paint is in the middle, centering it just a little bit before I start spinning. Now you notice I'm not spinning fast. I'm just doing light spins, and I try to alternate the direction of the spin. Try to. Didn't do it this time, but I will in just a few minutes. That opens up the cells evenly and it doesn't get wonky one way or another. What I did there is I pulled out the canvas so that the centrifugal force would move the paint in that direction. It gives you even coverage, and if you have something you don't want to lose off one end, you can do that by manipulating which way the flow of the paint is going to happen. I really do need to practice my blooming, and so you probably will be seeing a few more blooms in the near future. I really like this color combination. You'll probably see that again soon too. Oop, found a big old goober in the middle there. It was a wallop. I think it probably was in my pouring medium, but I'm not entirely sure. Doesn't matter, comes right out. I'm still in the process of spinning, so you won't notice it. I've gotten pretty good coverage on the sides, and like I said, with the negative spaces is just, I'm really very happy with this piece, and I think it'll resin up beautifully. Okay, it's about time for the flyover. I want you to check out and see the variation of mixing colors that I got. There is no purple in this, but it certainly is pronounced. There's no blue in this either, other than in the Lagoon. So that's the color shift for both the Afterglow and the Lagoon. If you found this video useful today, I'd invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them both useful and enjoyable. Thanks for being here. Bye now.